Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. If you have a lot of old negatives or slides that you would like to see brighten just to check out what's on them, you will enjoy using this very simple, easy to use light pad from Photomyne. The pad is super light and thin, as you can see, and it's easy to connect to a USB port right into your wall. The pad lights up super bright so that you can see things up close and be able to detect what they are. Now, I would say this could be used for a variety of other things. However, I found that it was really helpful when we were going through some old slides for our family. We were able to look at the slides in advance and tell which ones were bright enough to be used on a photo presentation that we were doing. You could use this in advance of being able to scan your slides in, which was also really helpful for us. And what I really like is that this is easy to put away and store, and it's easy to save the cord and keep everything in one place for the next time that we need it. Using this for what we needed for our project, it worked perfectly. We were very impressed with how bright that it was, and it really helped everything to show up really well on our old slides. And that's my point of view.